I do think it's something that it's well earned. I've overcome many different obstacles, especially as of lately. It's about that time of year that I update my hair color and my hairstyle. This is how it's looking right now. You see a few months ago, I lightened it a little bit, gave it a little copper touch to it. I wanted to try this Colorsmith kit. You take an online quiz and they customize the hair product and the hair color specifically for you. You see it has my name on it. Each kit also comes with 2 pairs of gloves and the application is very simple. You just mix it in there, shake it around, you start applying it to your hair. I noticed it doesn't have a strong scent to it and a little goes a long way. I have a good amount of hair, so I just had to make sure I disperse it evenly and make sure I put it all in there. And then using the gloves, I had to lather it around. It didn't cause any discomfort, it didn't cause any irritation, and the results are clearer than ever, and I'll let them speak for themselves. Look at the beautiful brown that I have now. And all it took was 15 minutes. I applied the product, waited 15 minutes, got in the shower, washed it, rinsed it out, and look. It also didn't stain my curtain or the shower. So if you're looking for a hair refresher, if you need some new dye or a new hair color, I recommend you check out Colorsmith.